Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this YouTube play button. It's very easy and anyone can make this. And I'll be showing you how to make this book in another video. So let's start making the YouTube play button. In order to make the YouTube play button, you will need a square paper, maybe any size, but I recommend a 20 by 20. So what you want to do is fold from one corner to the other, like this. And then you're going to want to unfold this, and then fold this corner to this corner the other way. A sharp crease. Now you're gonna want to unfold. Now what you want to do is fold this corner to the middle where all the creases touch each other, and then you want to do it for all sides. Now for this last one that you did, you want to fold this edge into this crease that you made over here. Now you want to unfold and then do the same thing on the other side by folding this edge to this crease. Now what you want to do is do this kind of fold, and then you want to fold it to the side, flatten everything out, and then fold it to the other side. And now what you want to do is squash this down. Making sure everything matches right here. Now what you want to do is fold this inside here. So now what you want to do is unfold this over here, and then this crease over here that you made, you want to line it on this crease. Flatten everything out. Now, this next step, you want to fold this edge onto this middle crease under this flap. like this. And now you want to do the same thing on the other side, folding this edge into the middle crease. And then you're gonna unfold this over here, back. And then you'll see that you're kind of getting the shape of this button. So now what you want to do is turn it over. And then you're going to fold this edge or point down with no reference point. So and you're gonna do the same thing for all of them, all of the points. And then when you turn it over, you will see your subscriber button done. Yeah, so there is your play button. It's, as you saw, that it's very easy. So hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, like, and share my video so you can get more videos like this.